Hello, I'm Dimitra from the DotSee team. In this video, I'll be introducing you to Discipline, a recently launched package tailored for Umbraco projects version 10 or higher. It consolidates the capabilities of 4 previously distinct packages into a single streamlined tool. Let's take a closer look at each feature. In my project here, I've created specific document types, and now I want to set up a settings node with child nodes such as SEO, menu configuration, login, global, cookies. In the app settings JSON file, I've defined rules under Discipline's Autonode for each node to be created. Let's put it to the test. Navigating to the content tree, let's go under Home and create a settings item. As I expand it, we observe that the desired structure is automatically generated. What's interesting to note is that without any prior permission set up for those nodes underneath the settings root document type, everything is still set up based on our rules. You can explore our documentation for more information on all attributes in Umbraco's marketplace or NuGet.org. Having more than one settings node in our project wouldn't make much sense. To safeguard that, in the app settings JSON, I've set up a rule under Discipline's NodeRestrict. For the setting root document type under the home page, we've allowed only one node. Let's test it out. Under Home, I'll attempt to create a second settings item. Once I click Save and Publish, I am prompted with this custom error message enforcing my one node policy. In the documentation, you can read in more detail about each error and warning message you can set up. I've just added 2 new document types, landing pages and content page. Landing pages will be a folder organizing all my content pages. As a first step, I'm creating a landing pages folder in the content tree. I'm gonna name it landing pages folder. We can see the generated link as expected. Note that I have configured the rule under Discipline's VirtualNodes for the landing pages document type. Let's see what it does. Inside the folder, I'll create a page, a thank you page. Notice now the link, the folder's URL segment, is excluded as dictated by my rule. One more time, an unsubscribe page, and as expected, the landing pages folder URL is omitted. When dealing with multiple languages, the content tree can easily get overwhelming when the not created nodes start piling up. In the app settings JSON file, I have also enabled VariantsHider with a custom caption. Now going to my Greek page, the landing pages folder might seem empty initially, but if I go to Content, do something else, toggle Not Created Nodes, I can decide whether these items coming from my English page will be visible or not for a more organized back office. In NuGet.org, you can find detailed documentation and code snippets to get started. The same applies to Umbraco Marketplace. When working with the Visual Studio, you can easily install Discipline in a matter of seconds from the NuGet Package Manager by searching Discipline from .c, selecting your project, and install. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough. Discipline was created by our team at DotSee as a handy tool for control, precision, and efficiency within Umbraco. Install it through your preferred method explore each functionality and configurations, and stay up to date with our releases on LinkedIn. Happy coding!